How's it going? Bad news and some good news. Bad news is there won't be any more motorbike videos, unfortunately. Very depressing, I know. For you watching it, I do apologise. My arms are just too bad, I can't hold on to the bike anymore, so I've had to sell all them, sell everything to do with bikes, got rid of it all. But on the good news, we got another project. It's coming today, so some very exciting times ahead for the rest of our videos. Can't wait, and you'll see it soon. So it should be here now. Actually, let's go see. Project on my hands now. Yes. I got it in, it's in the garage. There's a lot of stuff I gotta go over and redo. The guy who had it before me looks like he bit off a bit more than he chewed. That's why he traded this in for a fully built one. I gotta admit, as it's looking a bit daunting to me as well, to be honest. But I got to take it all apart and redo everything, because I'm not happy with it the way it is at the moment. But yeah, here goes to you and me going on a journey trying to get this on the road. So can't wait.